Hello everyone, in today's quick video I will try to recreate login screen from TikTok iOS application. So this is a very short video to actually show you how it is easy to build a layout using SwiftUI. So for the first thing we will do is make a VStack with alignment leading, so on the left, and spacing 15. Below that we have a little image at the top, which is question mark dot circle, so that's from SF symbols. We need to make it resizable to be able to give it a frame of 25 and also height 25. Foreground style, so I want to change its color to black with opacity of 0.5, actually 6. Okay. I want to add padding horizontal, so on the left and right side of 25, and this image would typically have some on tap gesture. Below that I will make log into TikTok, so this is some large title, font large title, font weight heavy, so maximum, padding at the bottom of 40 and at the left and right of 25. I'll add some spacer here to move this to the up, and also for this image I need to add offset on X of -15 to make it look like it is a little bit to the left of this. It is not aligned with the title. Okay, on the whole VStack, will have padding on the bottom of 40, actually 30. You will see why at the end of the video. Padding on the top of 50, because we will ignore safe area. That's why this is such a big value for top padding. Okay, below the main title we need to make a couple of buttons. So for the first button is with a label, title and icon. Text is use phone, email, username. That's the text with padding of 10, font weight medium, and frame max width infinity to make it use the whole width, the full width. Okay, and for the image, okay, this will not be system name. I already prepared images for this project, so I have image that is called user. We need to make this image resizable, scaled to fit, and give it a frame with height 20 and some padding at the leading. Okay, I believe that's it for this label. On the whole label we will add overlay, with rounded rectangle, corner radius, of 5, stroke line width 1, foreground color, in this case will be gray, also with opacity of 0.5, and on the whole button, so on the whole button, no, actually on the whole label, after overlay, I will also add foreground style, black, and some padding on the horizontal sides of 25. That's the basic layout for each button in this application. What I will do now, I would probably just copy paste this 5 more times. However, I will use this label and I will extract subview. Okay, as you can see here, and I will name it custom button text. Here, this custom view needs to receive a title type string and image also type string. So this is title that we will pass to this custom view, and this is image. So now we will call this like custom button text with title and image. This is title, image is user. Everything works the same as before. It should everything be okay. And now we can copy paste this to make it more readable. We'll just change title and image. So for the second one, it is continue with Facebook. Continue with Facebook, image is Facebook. You can see that. Third one is Apple. Continue with Apple. Next one is continue with Twitter and continue with Instagram. Okay, image, Twitter, Instagram, and I also need to add Google. So okay, and as you can see here, with not so many lines of code, we have six different buttons. Below the spacer, we need to add text for the footer. I already prepared text here, just to not use time for typing it. Okay, this is the text. I need to center it in the center alignment. For the font, I will use footnote, a little bit smaller font. Foreground color gray. Tint black. Did you see that? To use these hyperlinks in the black. Padding horizontal 25 on left and right, And last thing I will add is line spacing to -1 to make it more squeezed like in original application. As you can see here, this is the basic regular text view. This part, terms of service, are in these parentheses, and that will be a hyperlink. Next to it is a link where what it should open, and the same thing for this privacy policy. You can't, you must not add here space, because it won't work that way. That's the simplest way to make this text with two different hyperlinks inside it. And the last thing is to make another VStack with divider in it, and bottom button action label. For the label text don't have an account, sign up. I want this sign up to be bold, and I will use this feature to make it bold. Frame. Okay, I believe that I didn't have frame here. I will add padding, and on this whole button, foreground style of black to make it more visible. This is the whole button, and on the whole VStack I want to use background gray with opacity of 0.15. And that's it for this video. We made everything like in original application. The only difference is that these icons are not perfectly the same like there, but that's something just I found out online. It is not really important for this part. Here we are representing how to make this layout. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. You can find a lot more materials about SwiftUI topic, and see you in something similar like this. See you in the next video.